So, what's up guys, Faber here, and welcome to Shades of Tech. I really hope today was the day that I gave you some incredible news, but actually it's not that day. I'm gonna tell you a story that is so unbelievable that if one of your friends told you so, you wouldn't believe him, or you would think that it's made up or it's a really bad joke. But actually it's a really sad story that happened to me. Just the other day I was recording this announcement that will change completely the future of my channel. New home office/studio. In the last year I worked so hard on a huge new project. I kept the secret to make it perfect. I worked so hard. I invested my time. I invested also a lot of money. And as soon as I was starting to see some really promising results, just in the moment while I was editing the announcement video, a lightning hit my area and fried all my technology setup. Are you f***ing kidding me? The end result is really bad and I have huge damages on everything. I have video problems on my brand new LG OLED 4K TV. My ps4 is bricked, my Dolby Surround 7.1 is bricked. I have huge problems on the Ethernet port of this TV. I have huge problems on the Thunderbolt ports of the iMac 27 inches. So I won't be able, as I planned, to connect two external displays because the Thunderbolt ports don't work anymore, and this is really bad. I'm really angry about that. And then I have problems on the Philips Hue, on the Airport Express, and so on. It's been a week without internet because my router was fried, and right now I don't know if my Ethernet network Cat7 is still working because I can't prove it right now. It was brand new, just finished, and I will probably have to do it again from the beginning. It was just brand new. And cherry on the pie, I just heard that my assurance is not gonna pay for any of this. So, I'm really desperate. Right now, I really don't know how I will continue this channel because I will take at least 2 months to get everything repaired. And the money loss will be enormous. And right now I feel really sad and desperate and angry and at the same time powerless because all of my hard work was for nothing. Luckily my MacBook Pro wasn't connected to the power line when everything happened, so I can edit this video on the last piece of technology that is working in my studio right now. Luckily I have some unedited footage that I shot before that I can still use to make some videos waiting for everything to be repaired and to go back on track. But right now I really can't assure anything to you. Anyway, trying to see the bright side, I was really lucky not to touch anything during the lightning, or I wouldn't be here talking to you. So, if you want to take an advice, be sure to disconnect all the power cables, all the Ethernet and the telephone sockets as soon as you hear a thunder and a storm approaching, because I'm pretty sure that the lightning went through the telephone cable in the router, broke it, and then went in the Ethernet ports and fried all the Ethernet ports and the machines. So thanks so much for watching and to listening to me so far, and all I need right now is your help and your support. So thanks so much for watching, and I really hope to see you in the next one. Ciao!